So, hi dear students, as I told it over there, I have to show you the automatic slideshow as well as with animation. So I have selected this one. So this is one of the slide. So I can write it over there as I shown over there. Welcome, welcome. Here I can write it to Kolkata. Suppose this is one of the slide, and if I want to insert a new slide, definitely the option is coming, that is called under home section. Under home you can click on new slide. So if you click on new slide, you are getting another slide of options. Suppose I have selected this one, so this is my second slide where I can insert any picture or like that. So suppose I can insert go for pictures. Suppose if it is like that, I can go for some online pictures based on one option. So if you click on online pictures, it is asking for the net connection should be available. So you can search over there Kolkata. Then we have to press enter. So it is searching for different things of Kolkata. So suppose I have selected yes, the temple over there. Now click on insert. So it is now inserted. So we can say like that, the Khine temple. So this is one of the slides. If I go to another slide, so once again go to the option called new slide, and suppose I have to go for this one. So here you can get it. So I can give it place to visit as I shown to the last class. So over here you can go for online links and say Victoria Memorial. If you have a no net connection at the moment you are searching, so whatever the pics we have in your system, that also you can give it. So I can select this one. Now click on here. So it is downloading. So it is coming here, and definitely another pics we can go for Robindra Sadan. So I can select it Robindra Sadan. So here is also like that. So this is Robindra Sadan. It is coming over here. So these are the two pics over there. Now after that, once again I have to go to the next slide. That is the blank one where I can write it something with the help of word art. So I can go to the option insert, and then option is coming word art. So if you click on here, so I can write the text. So thanks for visit. So this is the way I can select it, the 4 slides. Now the first thing is that I have to go for the slideshow. So what should I do? Click on the first slide, then just press F5 function key from the keyboard. If you click on F5 functions key, you're finding out it is the first slide in a large vision. Then if you arrow keys or the enter key or mouse click, then you can get it to the next slide. So this is my next slide, and then this is the third slide, and obviously next one is the last one. Thanks for a visit. Now once you click on after that, it is coming to the end of slideshow. After this, so this is the way how can you go on. Now I want to go for the automatic slideshow. So it should not be finished until or unless I should press the escape key. So what should I go for? I have to go to the slideshow menu. Now from the slideshow menu, I have to go to the option setup slideshow. Setup slideshow. Then there is an option called loop continuously until escape. This option you have to click on, right? Then click on OK. This is my slide setting. Now after that, whatever you have to go on, once again you have to go for the menu we call transition. So if you click on transition, there are different types of transitions we have. So whatever you can go for the shape, so it will be coming like that. So if you want to apply the same transition for all, then you have to click on apply to all, right? And it should be automatically on, mouse click should be off automatically after is coming, so that you can give the time setting, sorry, go for the second, so that it will be easier. Yes, now suppose to then apply to all for this everything. So now your entire process is completed. Now just go on automatic slideshow, just press F5. Once you click on F5, finding out this is my first slide, now it is coming automatic. I'm not pressing anything over there. So in this way we can go for, now after that once again the first slide will come. So in this way we can go for the automatic slideshow for your presentation. If you want to stop it, then you have to press the escape key from the keyboard, right? So I'm stopping here. After this, now the most important part we called as an animation. What is animation? The special effects, whatever you can say. Suppose I click on the welcome option. Now if I click on welcome option, there are two types of animations we have. These, beside of transition we have animation. Now see the different animation we have. So suppose if you select any of this, suppose go for the swivel. So see the output is coming like this. So if you go for, you have to click on one of the one. So suppose floating, right? So like this, if you go to the next slide also, I am going to in a hurry because I have to show it to over there. Suppose I go for zoom. So if you go for zoom, next fly in, right? So this is the, click on the third slide. So here is also place to visit. So I can go for, here is the option called grow and shrink. So I can go for the grow and shrink options, right? Now click on here. Now you can go for floating. This is also another one, and definitely this is also another one. You're finding out there is, beside which one is animated, beside of this one there is an arrow number is given 1 2 3. So that means these are the three portions, is all are animated. Now coming to the last slide. So click on here and just give the options like zoom you can go for. See, actually there is some, now is everything absolutely ready. And one more thing we have to go for, click on the first slide. There is the option, if you click on this animation, it's already done, start on click or after previous. There is an option, right? On click, after previous. Click on after previous, so that it will be coming. Right, now just click on F5. Once you click on F5, see, it's automatically coming over there. Actually there is some graphical, so it is coming like this. Thanks for this, some graphics problems over there, but originally it will be replaced. Welcome to Kolkata, right? So like this we can go for automatic slideshow as well as in animation. I hope all of you understand. Though if you are facing any kind of problem, definitely you have to tell, we will discuss in the class. Thanks to all of you. Stay home, stay safe.